Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis a couple weeks ago, and that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. The red line representing resistance, but the breakout actually occurred yesterday on Wednesday, and then today it was a question of, was this the breakout, the start of something bigger, or is it going to be one of these false breakouts? And no, that was definitely not a false breakout yesterday afternoon. That much more power came to it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines out. They've served their purpose for now. And I don't want to have, all sorts of, randomness and, lines and risk causing confusion. So from a presentation standpoint, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Well, the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 42.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 42.85, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could actually manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 42.85 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The price just really struggled to ever get any sort of traction after, that 45.25 mark. So me personally, I'm definitely going to be looking at 45.25 for a potential break and then some more continuation. So we'll see what happens with it. But anyway, look at it. Monster volume today. The great price movement continues. So now it's just a question of, can the momentum build into Friday? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.